Yuzvendra Chahal breaks his silence on divorce rumors with Dhanashree Verma. I shall forever strive to seek your love and support and not sympathy. Cricketer Yuzvendra Chahal and choreographer Dhanashree Verma have been at the center of divorce rumors after the couple unfollowed each other on Instagram, sparking widespread speculation. Both have now addressed the matter, slamming trolls and urging people to refrain from spreading baseless claims. On Thursday, Chahal broke his silence on the rumors, sharing a heartfelt note on his Instagram stories. I am grateful to all my fans for their unwavering love and support, without which I wouldn't have come this far. But this journey is far from over, as there are still many incredible overs left to deliver for my country, my team, and for my fans. While I am proud to be a sportsman, I am also a son, a brother, and a friend. I understand the curiosity surrounding recent events, particularly about my personal life. However, I have noticed certain social media posts speculating on matters that may or may not be true, he wrote. He expressed the toll the rumors have taken on his family, adding, as a son, a brother and a friend, I humbly request everyone not to indulge in these speculations, as they have caused immense pain to me and my family. My family values have taught me to always wish well for all, strive to achieve success through dedication and hard work, instead of taking shortcuts, and I remain committed to these values. Chahal concluded his statement with a message of gratitude and positivity, saying, with divine blessings, I shall forever strive to seek your love and support and not sympathy. Love all. On Wednesday, Dhanashree took to Instagram to share how difficult the past few days have been for her and her family. The past few days have been incredibly tough for my family and me. What's truly upsetting is the baseless writing, devoid of fact-checking, and the character assassination of my reputation by faceless trolls spreading hate, she wrote. The choreographer highlighted her dedication to her career and values, stating, I've worked hard for years to build my name and integrity. My silence is not a sign of weakness but of strength. While negativity spreads easily online, it takes courage and compassion to uplift others. She concluded her post by emphasizing her focus on truth, writing, I choose to focus on my truth and move forward, holding on to my values. The truth stands tall without the need for justification. Om Namah Shivaya. Earlier, choreographer Pratik Utekar subtly responded to the rumors linking him with YouTuber and dancer Dhanashree Verma. Speculation about their relationship began circulating after a photo of Pratik and Dhanashree went viral, adding to the ongoing chatter surrounding Dhanashree's personal life with cricketer Yuzvendra Chahal. The couple has been at the center of media attention due to speculations about their alleged divorce. Dhanashree Verma and Yuzvendra Chahal, who got married in 2020, have faced intense public scrutiny over the past few weeks amid rumors of their relationship being on shaky ground. The rumors escalated when both Dhanashree and Yuzvendra deleted each other's photos from their social media accounts and unfollowed each other on Instagram, prompting further speculation about their marital status and the involvement of a third party. Dhanashree Verma and Yuzvendra Chahal tied the knot in December 2020 in an intimate ceremony in Gurugram. The couple met during the pandemic when Chahal approached her for dance lessons.